Hi, this is Cyclone Search, an application to find similar cyclones that occurred in the past and gain valuable insights from them to deal with the new cyclones. First, import the dataset of cyclone images. In this case, I have collected 100 images of past cyclones with their names. All images used are under Commons license. Here are a few images. Next, install the necessary libraries. Then, we will train a deep learning model using a framework called Keras. The architecture of the model we will be training is called a convolutional autoencoder. The beauty of this architecture is that it has two parts, namely encoder and decoder, and it is trained in such a way that it tries to reproduce the same input image as output. What happens is that the finer details of a cyclone image are captured in the latent layers of the encoder. These details may not be visible to an untrained human, thereby making the process efficient and powerful. Execute these cells. This is the model summary. After training, we can throw away the decoder part of the autoencoder, as we are only interested in the encoder part to generate vector representations of the cyclone image, which can later be used for computing similarities. Here we save the encoder model. The next phase is using the saved encoder model. Load the model, import the necessary libraries, and load all existing images. This cell here computes the vector embeddings for the images and stores them in an array. We can now find similar images using cosine similarity. Let us assume that the cyclone called 01V, which is shown here, is the reference image. For this demo, let us also assume that this is a new cyclone. Compute similarities. We can see that the similar cyclones to 01B include Queensland, Muddy, and Eta. Let us have a look at the Queensland one. The deep learning model must have recommended Queensland cyclone as the topmost result, as it must have found some similarities between the two cyclones, Queensland 1 and 01B. Now let us dig deeper into the details of this Queensland cyclone in the next section. So this is all the details about the cyclone fetched from Wikipedia. Next, we are downloading a text-based deep learning model called MS Markov Distilbert for performing text similarity. We are saving the model so that we can load it the next time we want directly instead of downloading it multiple times. Run this last cell and enter any query related to what you want to know about the cyclone. For example, type impact of the event and hit enter. Concise and to the point sentences are written from the passage shown above. This saves a lot of time and helps non technical people understand what is to be done. Run this cell again. Try what steps were taken against it. Important info related to steps taken during the crisis is being written. This is all coming from the above passage. We are using sentence similarity and vector search to quickly come up with similar sentences from the passage. This is a novel approach. I couldn't find anything similar to this. Finding cyclones this way and extracting crucial information related to them can help in a lot of ways as shown in this demo. It can even be used by experts to quickly narrow down the search space to a few past cyclones, and then they can extend their research on the smaller subset of cyclones and analyze past implications and steps people had taken to combat it. I believe this project and idea has the potential to progress and be useful. Thank you.